MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Here's a look at a 2012 Freightliner Cascadia for sale at MHC Denver. It is in great shape. A 500 horsepower, 10-speed, 72-inch raised roof sleeper that sits at 794,000 on the miles. Here are your tires. 22.5 LPs with polished up aluminum wheels all around. This truck's equipped with dual 100-gallon fuel tanks. You're going to love your engine, a legendary Detroit DD15 with that Fuller 10-speed transmission. Let's go inside now. The interior looks great after our cleanup work and detail job with sleeper windows to bring in some light with your sleeper that has tons of room and storage. And you've got a dash that shines like new after our detail work. If you want this truck, a 2012 Freightliner Cascadia, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.